In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a simple bookkeeping template in Google Sheets. To begin, open the Google Sheets file that contains the invoice tracking template. This file is a solid starting point because it already has a layout designed for tracking payments and activity, which is the core of simple bookkeeping. Once it loads, take a moment to look over the sheet so you understand what is already included. Next, you are going to click through the highlighted areas in the sheet. As you select each highlighted section, you are essentially reviewing and confirming the key parts of the template, like the main table area. Move from one highlight to the next, clicking each one in order. The goal here is to make sure you have focused on the full structure of the template and the areas that matter most for tracking entries consistently. As you do this, a helpful tip is to keep your entries consistent later on, especially for dates and amounts, since that makes reporting and sorting much easier. Continue clicking through the remaining highlighted sections until you have gone through all of them. This quick review also helps you spot anything that you may want to adjust for your own bookkeeping, such as column titles or formatting, before you share or publish the sheet. Once you have finished reviewing the highlighted areas, go to the top left corner and click File. From the File menu, click Share, and then choose Publish to Web. This is the option that creates a shareable web-published version of your spreadsheet content. In the Publish to the Web window, click the drop-down that says Entire Document. Confirm that Entire Document is selected. This ensures the full spreadsheet is included in what you publish, rather than only a single tab or limited section. After that, click the highlighted option in the Publish window to proceed with publishing. Make sure you double-check what you are publishing, especially if the sheet contains private business details. If needed, remove or hide anything sensitive before you finalize. And that covers everything you need to know.